Hi business owners, are you a small or a medium-sized business looking to expand your current company by promoting and marketing your products, services, a larger location, or expanding to new markets? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local business promotion service, and we pride ourselves on helping small business owners grow and develop. We offer a simple small videos to promote your business across several social media groups like blogs, WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, etc., and we can get you the customers your business needs. For sample videos, please refer to the sample promotional videos. We can customize the videos according to your business needs. Simply contact us at info@SPJK Technosoft now and we can get you started on your business promotional videos as soon as possible.
Are you looking for a professional acupuncture treatment? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local acupuncture treatment service, and customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. Let our acupuncturists help you get rid of pain in your neck, back, or any other region. No matter where you're experiencing pain, our acupuncturists can treat it all. We offer the most modern, pain-free acupuncture kits, and many customers can get relief in just one session. So, contact us now and find out why so many local customers come to us for all of their acupuncture needs.
Have you tried various fad diets in an effort to lose weight quickly, only to see little or no results? If you answered yes, it may be time for you to see our professional nutritionist. You see, fad diets are temporary, but changing your lifestyle and eating healthy requires a long-term plan. Let our nutritionist help you create a healthy meal plan that will put you on the path to permanent weight loss success. Contact us now for a free, no-obligation consultation. If you're looking for a yoga studio, you probably have a lot of questions such as, will the classes available fit my skill level? Do the classes fit my busy schedule? Or even, is yoga too difficult for me to do? No matter your question, we have the answers. Whether you are brand new to yoga, have years of experience, or even if you have physical limitations, we can help. Our yoga instructors have years of experience helping people just like you improve their mind, body and spirit through the experience of yoga. Dear business owners, why are you waiting for? Drop us an email with regards to your business and we will send you one promotion video to skyrocket your business with our online video promotions. Should you need more information about online business promotion and advertising, please contact us at info@spjktechnosoft.com. Thank you and goodbye.